Welcome back to another video. This is Dr. Smoke. I'm Ron, and
This is Don.
today we got something really sweet for you guys. It's not even released yet. By the time you're watching this video, it's probably going to be coming out. What do we have, Donald?
GMG Trek Prime. Replaces what, Ron?
The Davy Crockett.
You like that logo?
I love it. And this logo right here is pretty sweet too, with a different name, Trek Prime. So what's up with that?
Seems like GMG's changing things, and that's what we like to see. They're evolving with the market, and that's why we like them so much.
We have something special. If you keep watching to the end of the video, there's another thing that goes with this, and we're going to show you what that is.
Can't we just find out now?
Let's check it out, Don. Nice handles, easy to lift. Look at those legs.
Tell you what, it'd be nice if we had a cart to put this on.
You do, right here.
I know.
Or you could make your own, right?
That's true. There you go. Adjustable firebox. So now when you get temperature swings, you can switch this from side to side, and you always want to move this toward your hot spot just by a little bit. Very nice addition. Love the fact that they added this to the Davy Crockett. Two things I want to point out on the inside of the grill, get you a close-up. First of all, ceramic igniter. So this thing's going to start up a lot quicker than the original. Second, this thermal sensor. This I am happy to see. It's a lot smaller in diameter, which means that this thing's going to react a lot quicker to temperature changes and be able to correct for it. Very cool change, and I cannot wait to run this thing.
It's beautiful. We have a brand new logo. It's centered. My OCD is so happy with this logo.
You're complete?
I'm complete. It's beautiful. Just look at that thing.
That is a beautiful logo.
It's very nice.
Good job, GMG.
This is the Trek Prime. Rebranding, new model, new everything. It's awesome. Open it up. Inside, we have our nice grates. We have our drip tray. We have a new temperature probe in here that's smaller. Don thinks it's going to work a lot better. We'll find out in a little bit. Our grease tray, the channel down there, has less welds, so less chance of grease leaking out. It has a nice hole in there for the grease to drip through. We also have, on the side here, is our adjustable heat shield. We can move this back and forth. We couldn't do that before, so now we can adjust it, get rid of those hot spots.
We got a mini grease bucket. Looking good.
Mini grease bucket. It's so cute. Look at this thing. Love it. Go milk a cow. There's a nice gap in between the smoker and your pellet hopper, so if you do put your thermal cover on here, it's going to sit nicely around that area.
What do we got new here? Logo.
New logo right there.
Right on a controller.
Not a whole lot of changes on this side. You do have your handle here, and you have a handle on the other side, which makes this thing a lot easier to carry. Your hopper, your instructions, your hand guard. Everything on the back is pretty much the same. You do see these great legs on here that look just like the Prime legs. And we're also noticing that the paint is really nice on this thing. It has a nice sheen to it. There's no chipping, no scratches. It was packaged really, really well with all the cardboard and everything. There's no damage. Also, another addition that I noticed is this tab on the grease port here. It sticks up a lot higher. It's on a different angle, and it is going to hold that grease bucket a lot better than the other one.
So that's the overview of the new GMG Trek Prime.
Thanks for watching our video. Please like and subscribe. The button will be below. Smash that, baby. And if you like our apparel, we do sell this. These are pretty sweet Dr. Smoke hoodies. We have t-shirts. There'll be a link below to our website where you can purchase those. Now, I told you we'd have a little surprise for you if you watch to the end. we have this beautiful smoker, the new Trek. It's got great legs on it, adjustable heat shield, but there's something it's missing, and this is something that all of you guys like to make yourselves and put them on, but now you don't have to. Don, can you show us what you got?
Wait, what is this?
This is the Trek cart. It's all stainless steel. It has caster wheels. We're gonna do a video on this. Keep watching, and we'll have one coming up real soon.
Link right up there. Click the video, watch the unboxing, check this new card out.